Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your PDF reader app. To know how to fix or how to solve your reader PDF app, you should just go to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on your enter to PDF reader. Then we can click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.